Okay, here's one of my fix-it tutorials. You can see the bottom of this door is in horrible shape. So the goal here is to fix it as good as I can fix it and just make it workable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a couple pieces of wood here and I'm going to put a bunch of glue on it. Just like that. I didn't clean it out too well, but if I put enough glue on there, it'll probably work. And here is the first step. There you go. 2 pieces of wood. They seem like they fit just fine. Then I'm going to get another small piece of wood and stuff it in here. And that's it. I'm going to go get the Bondo and start repairing it. Okay, now the next step is I'm using this all-purpose wood Bondo to try to fill it in. I mean, I really don't care too much about how if it's perfect or not. I really don't care. There is no portion of the door that's going to touch this. So it's just literally going to be just for looks and to stop the wood from rotting. So I really didn't prep it as good. You can see right here, this door is not going to be, I'm not going to worry about having that upright since all it's going to be is just for looks. One of the important things here is just to get it sealed up so it doesn't rot anymore, and I'm going to put a little layer of paint on it after I'm done. Just a basic spray paint, Rust-Oleum, for the wood, just to keep the rotting from continuing. And then I will be done. So now here is the last stage. I'm just going to put a little Rust-Oleum that's rated for wood on here just to seal it up. This whole door has to be refinished at some point. I just need to stop the rot right here. And that is what I did. I just stopped the wood rot, and now it actually looks like it's a solid piece of wood. And that's it. Just takes less than 5 minutes worth of work to completely do a horrible job at fixing it.